Recently, we got some feedback about the omission of spreading of the granule spreading system. There is an omission of spreading of 1 to 2 meters from the borderline. With the borderline scanning function, you can avoid the omission. In this tutorial, we will talk about how to use the borderline scanning function in the Agricultural Assistant app. First, select one field from the list. Adjust the line space to 3 meters. Set the usage per mole according to the actual situation. We set it to 10 kilos per mole. The operating speed is set to 4.5 meters per second. Click on Next. In the root retraction interface, click Select All. Adjust the root retraction distance to 1.5 meters. Then select Inverse. Select the first root. Enlarge the map, long press, and adjust the root retraction distance to 3 meters. Confirm the direction. Click on Completed. Click on Start the operation. After the operation is finished, choose the field from the list again. Please refer to the previous parameter setting. Click on Next. Now, we are on the borderline scanning interface. Select Borderline Scanning. Check the route. Click on Completed. Click on Start Operation for the borderline scanning. When the borderline scanning is over, spreading of this field is fully completed. If we check the field, we can see that there is no omission of spreading. The problem in the feedback has been solved. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.